Okay, language explorers. So let's look at today's Monday noun and let's look at language. Language. The way we communicate and talk to people. How we talk to people and get our ideas across. Yes. Very good. Yeah. So language. The words, the sounds, all the different phonics, A, E, I, O, U, and signs. Signs we use to share ideas, instructions, or information. Yes, so what language is that? Yeah, what language are they speaking? What language is that? I don't know that language. I don't know that language. See, I know two languages, English and Spanish. So I can speak two languages, English and Spanish. I was thinking about learning some other languages like Russian, but I have plans to learn Arabic. Yes. So singular, language, one, singular. Very good. And languages, two, plural. Languages. I can speak two languages. I know some people that can speak four languages. And this is a language. English is a language. English is a language. Yeah. My language skills are improving. I'm learning more languages. Yeah. How cool is that? So I used to know another language, German. Yes, my German language skills have slowly dwindled over time. Yes. Dwindled. Like gone. Slowly vanished over time. Vanished, gone, disappeared. Yeah. But I'm learning a new language, Spanish. I am learning more of the Spanish language all the time. I'm learning new words every day. Every day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every day. I'm always learning more of the language. Very important. Yeah. But I'm thinking about learning another language, a third language, Arabic. I think the Arabic language will be useful for me in the future. I think so. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. You see, there is no point in learning a language if you are not going to use it. If you're not going to use the language, don't learn it. That's why my German language skills have gone down, because I was never using it. I hardly ever went to Germany, but now with Spanish, I go to Spain and Mexico quite often. I use my language skills often. Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah, so language. Very good. Yeah, so language, the way we communicate. English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, Russian, Chinese. I used to know a bit of the Chinese language. Maybe 30, 50 words, something like that. Maybe less. But I've forgotten that language completely. Forgotten. Yeah. How cool is that? So, language. So, can you use language in a sentence? Can you write the sentence in the comments below? And subscribe to the channel. Yeah, more videos to come, more videos. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy. Just search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.